Hello everyone, Alex Collins here from Porsche Centre Dublin, just presenting our lovely 2014 Porsche Panamera diesel that just came into stock today. Here's the car. It's basalt black metallic paint, as you can see here. It's got the beige and black leather interior inside as well. Gorgeous looking car, and you've also got the gloss black wheels with the silver surrounds. Front of the car you've got the PDLS Porsche dynamic light system as well, so it's the upgraded headlights, so it just gives you a nicer design, which is a bit more modern. Dublin registered, fog lights at the bottom. You've got your front lip there as well. You've got front and rear parking sensors. Really immaculate car. Now this car's only just into stock, so the four wheels do need to be refurbed, so they'll be getting done shortly, and they're slightly scuffed at the moment. So you've got Continental tires all around. You've got 20-inch alloy wheels. You've got sun protection glass in the rear as well. It's not too tinted, so it's not too dark inside. That's your other alloy wheel there as well. Coming around to the rear of the car then, you've got your four exhausts at the back in black. You've got a reversing camera, reversing parking sensors, Panamera badging. You've got your LED rear headlamps as well, Porsche badge, and then you've got your rear window wiper. Open the boot down, touch this button here. Boot comes up electronically and closes electronically as well. The seats in the back also go down, and then this cover comes over as well, so plenty of room for shopping and suitcases and all your bits and pieces. And then close the button, close the boot. Simple as that. Very straightforward. Diesel cap cover that side. Quick look inside the car. First thing you notice is obviously the beige interior, which is lovely. Got black carpets as well. You got Bose surround sound system, electric windows all around as well, and you got a lovely black trim inside as well as your leather door cards. Loads of legroom and headspace back here. You've got Isofix fittings that side and the other side as well, and then you've got a kind of a central tunnel here for cup holders and ashtray as well. Beige headlining there as well, and you've also got lovely comfortable headrests, and then these seats do fold down as well, and they're perforated leather. Quick look at the driver's seat, same again. You've got 18-way electrically adjustable seats as well, automatic lights, automatic mirrors. You've got your memory adjustable there for the seating, locking and unlocking, and then the Bose surround sound system as well, which is lovely. Greeted with Panamera badging there as well. Same again on the passenger seat. You've got the Porsche steering wheel here. You've got your Tiptronic gearbox as well, so you can gear up and down. You've got your automatic lights and wipers that side. It's only 36,000 kilometers on the clock on this car, so it's quite low mileage. In the center then you've got a lovely big screen. It's all touchscreen. You've got sat nav, Bluetooth, radio, connect your phone to the car and play music. You've got dual climate control as well, air conditioning, heated seats in the front, and then you obviously have your sports mode, sport button as well, and then your PDCC suspension. Really nice car inside and out, and really highly optioned as well. So that's it for our 2014 Porsche Panamera diesel. This car is a part of our approved used range as well, so that means the car comes with 2 years Porsche warranty. It also comes fully serviced, and it comes fully valid and cleaned as well. If you'd like to arrange a test drive and an appointment on this car, give ourselves a ring on 01235 3375. And if you want to ask for myself, Alex Collins, I'll happily look after you. Hope you enjoyed the video tour and have a lovely day. Thanks very much. Bye now.